Today we will see about multiple inheritance in Python. In this example, as you can see here, we have two classes, two parent classes, that is phone class and product class, and the smartphone class is inherited those two classes. Okay, those two classes, namely product class and phone class. Okay, if you can see, if you can observe little bit here, there is a common behavior, that is a common method is there in both the parent classes, that is the by method. So when we execute this program, which method is going to be invoked? Let's see. Okay, we'll execute. As you can see, the product class method has been invoked because you can see here in our child class we are inheriting the product class first in the list and then the phone class. So which method is inherited first in the child class will going to be invoked when after executing the program. Okay, if you inherit the phone class first, it invokes the phone class method. Let's see here. If you inherit the phone class first, it gives you it invokes phone class method. Okay, this is what they mention. When a child is inheriting from multiple parents, product and phone, there is a common behavior, and if there is a common behavior to be inherited, as you can see, there is a common behavior inherited. It inherits the method in parent class which is first in the list. Thank you.